Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Norton VPN on Firestick. Start by opening the Fire TV App Store. Now you will need to search for Norton VPN and select the official application. Now you can install the app and wait for the download to complete. Now launch Norton VPN and sign in with your Norton account credentials. Now choose a VPN server, location and connect. If the app isn't available, support may depend on your Firestick model, software versions or country. And that's it. That's how to download and install Norton VPN on Firestick. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.